Say hi.
Hi,
How you enjoy it?
I'm really enjoying, but not that we didn't get something that so we could cook our crabs right here.
Yes, it's funny. Okay, so now we will start to set up our crab nets. Today we will be using two kinds of crab nets. One like this and another one like that. And we will see what is work better.
So my dad is going to put the crab.
You can go closer, I will show you what I do.
Sure. Okay, I'm coming. These things are really slippery because if you pop them, they do something like water that is actually so slippery and painful. Here, I
So
can close.
I never used this kind of crab nets before, so I put the chicken inside. I did about my float about 15 meters deep. I don't know how deep it's here, but I will say maybe about 10 meters probably. Anyway, I not will be throw it far away. I will throw it close by, maybe 20-30 meters from the land.
Bye, Dad. I'm gonna go back to the place I was. Bye. This is my dad. My dad is not that far. He's actually pretty close. Did you have fun?
Yeah, so I go farther, but it is so deep. In case I will put this deep, that net is heavier than the float, so I just
Guys, tell in the comments if you've
it will
thought that
go under
he
the
was
water.
like really far away. We got the crab net.
So I set it up another one. It's different kind of crab net. Again I put the chicken, and we will see how it works.
Okay, we just want to see which one is better for now. So this one is actually for to throw. My dad is insanely good at throwing. We forgot our kettles. I mean, only one kettle. And now we're trying to find some really flat rocks so we could use them as the kettle. So I found a really little crab and we decided to release it and save it because it's like really small and like it would do its full strength just to go like 1 centimeter.
Let's go to release it.
50 for 50 hours.